how to fix cannot connect to this network error on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot connect to this network error on Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to head over to your search bar, and from here you need to type CMD, and then you need to click on Run as Administrator. And once it does, now we will enter some of the commands. Here is the first command that says ipconfig. Then you need to press the shift and then you need to press /. And once you do that, you need to write release. Then you need to hit enter. Now that we have released, we need to renew it as well. You need to simply type ipconfig again. Then you need to press space and / again, and then you need to type renew. Then press enter. Now, as it's done, we'll add another command over here that says netsh. Then you need to press space and then you need to type winsock and space, and once you do that, you need to type reset. Then you need to press enter. And hopefully this will help you resolve your issue. If it does not, you need to simply close the command prompt. Then you need to head over to the start icon over here. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on settings. Once in the settings, you need to click on network and internet, and then you need to scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on network reset, and from here you can see an option that says reset now. You need to simply go ahead and click on that, and that's it. I hope this trick helped you solve the issue. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.